Hi guys, welcome and thanks for tuning in to another unboxing episode. So today we have the Tarmac Works Mercedes Benz 190E 2.5-16 Evolution 2 car that we are going to unbox. So before unboxing, I'll give you a quick run down all over the box. So this particular car comes in the Tarmac Works container. It doesn't come in the acrylic display box, but instead it comes with a container that you can store the car in. So going around the box, you can see that this is an official licensed product by Daimler, and as usual you have the Tarmac Works logo, and also there are details as well, and the product details on the box. So without further ado, let's get into the unboxing. Alright, so this is the car. So you can see it comes in the container. So you can open the container like this and you can slide out the car. So that's the container box. So it also comes with another enclosure that you can use instead of this plastic acrylic one here. So you can basically slide this off and then replace it with this particular Evolution cover if you wish to do so. Alright, so that's the car. So let's quickly unscrew this from the bottom so that I can give you a closer look. Okay, so you can see that the base has the a nice looking Evolution logo as well as the name printed on it. So the wheels don't rotate. It does rotate, but I think the front wheel seems a bit tight. The rear wheels rotate pretty smoothly. But nevertheless, this is the closer look. As you can see, it comes in the metallic black paint. You can see the metallic paint on the car. On the front of the car, you also have the Mercedes Benz logo and a quite detailed looking grille, including the front lights and the indicator lights. You also have a number plate. And that's the rear of the car. So you have the 190E Mercedes Benz logo and the 2.5-16 logo as well, with quite detailed rear lights. So you also have a tiny little antenna which is very delicate, and if you look closely inside the interior, you can see that the interior is also pretty detailed in this car. You have that fabric detailing on the seats. Also near the gearbox, you can see that they have detailed the gearbox in yellow color or beige color. So overall the interior of the car is also quite detailed. You can see the rear mirror, as well as you can see some dashboard detailing and the meters as well inside. So you can see that the side mirrors are also detailed. So overall it's a great looking car. Alright, so overall that's the unboxing of this particular model. As always, if you have liked this video, make sure you hit the like button, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel so that you will get notified when we release new videos. Until next time, stay tuned.